Good. You're making me laugh so much, man, honestly. My crappy ass $120 Chinese grows good bud. Yeah, listen, that fool does it. The organic CFL guy knocks it out of the fucking park with CFLs. I mean, the guy's got CFLs, you know what I mean? He's got CFLs to kill a whale in the ocean. He's got CFLs in his garden. But he's doing it, and the bud, I mean, you couldn't tell the bud from any other bud. Dry amendments and cocoa. I'd never use amendments. Who the fuck knows how much you're adding in? Listen, you got cocoa. Feed 400 times, feed 400 ppm 3 times in the first month, feed 500 3 times in the second month, feed 600 twice in the third month. Start there. I mean, I just told you a total of about 30 mils of nutrient. You would be left, your nutrient bottle. Oh, here's Remo. They're not in the bathroom. Chuck maybe took them out, maybe. Nobody ever asked for him. You would have used like 1 ounce of liquid. I'm just telling you, anytime you guys bitch at me about whatever it is you think you want to bitch at me about, just remember, I'm not selling you the nutrients. I'm not making you any promises. I'm just trying to get you guys to understand that I call my book The Grow Book and Equipment Guide for a reason. It's because none of you guys know how to use the equipment. And it's because you all are watching videos like this and think this is winning. How could you think otherwise? I don't blame you guys. But there's no way I can do battle with 10,000 videos of people telling you that this is good. No, this is finishing. This is not even good. That is not even good. It's not even good. It's finishing. I just ask you guys to readjust your scale based on the reality of growing cannabis, not what you've seen so far. Then what I try to get you guys to do is this. Understand that I'm the only one telling you this. I'm the only one that knows 10,000 growers and has a book. There are lots of store guys that know 10,000 growers. I'm the only one with 10,000 growers and a book. And I'm the only one that teaches you. You guys are experimenting. Oh, I'm going to experiment so I can get good. Okay, I'm going to tell you how every one of your experiments turns out, because this is a book that makes fun of everybody that's experimented before you and how they failed. And I have to tell it in such a way that 18 to 49-year-old dumb, stupid, aggressive males like myself can hear my words when they're ready. My mom used to tell me stuff all the time. I wasn't ready to hear it. Now I'm like 39 years old, 49 years old now, and I'm like, oh, that's why she told me. I'm just saying that 100% of the information out there is not what I'm telling you. It is literally everybody else and me. And yet the only information that I really tell you is don't kill your plants. And then I tell you all the ways you guys kill your plants, so you can avoid killing your plants. And yet you guys are still experimenting. I told you earlier in the show that there's no manifest destiny. You might be able to swerve your path, but it's not like you can decide to be able to live in space and going to make it happen. So there's only so much deviation about the norm you can get. And with 6 billion people on the planet, even if you dress like a goth or a jock or a nerd or a band, oh, I said nerd, or a geek, technology, or the cool girls or the whatever clique you think you want. I mean, Cyndi Lauper. Yeah, and that wasn't even that far off with the hair and the dress and everything. You know what I mean? There's only so much deviation you can have before you end up in jail, dead, or explode. And so manifest destiny is like the difference between indica and sativa. Yeah, maybe, but it's about this much, like it's 0.0001%.